kilalanin natin ang updated and final new look complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa PBA 50th All-Filipino Cup Playoffs. Point guards, L.A. Tenorio, playing coach. Reserve list, 5'9", 152 pounds, 41 years old, 3.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.5 steals, 60% 3-point shooter, 8 minutes per game in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup playoffs averages. Jerome Lastimosa, rising star, 5'11", 165 pounds, 27 years old, 13.7 points, 3.8 rebounds, 4 assists, 1.4 steals, 42% 3-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Mark Baroka, veteran star, 5'10", 170 pounds, 39 years old, 9.6 points, 4 rebounds, 4.4 assists, 0.7 steals, 23% 3-point shooter, 84% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Gab Gomez, rookie, 5'11", 175 pounds, 25 years old, 0.8 points, 0.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 50% 3-point shooter, 50 field goal percentage, 4 games played in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards, Peter Alfaro, sophomore, 5'11", 186 pounds, 25 years old, 3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1.1 assist, 0.3 steals, 23% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Paulo Taha, 6 feet, 180 pounds, 34 years old, 1 point, 0.5 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 100% free throw shooter, 5 games played in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Paul Lee, injured list, 6 feet, 200 pounds, 36 years old, 4.8 points, 3.1 rebounds, 3.7 assists, 0.6 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa source na to, ay balak daw sanang isign ng Magnolia si Romeo at Chua para sa PBA playoffs. Pero hindi lang ito umabot sa deadline, kaya si Coach L.A. na lang at Andrada ang nagpa-activate sa roster nila para sa playoffs. Terence Romeo failed signing, 5'11", 180 pounds, 33 years old, 9.5 points, 2 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 43% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards, Rafael Verano, 6'3", 200 pounds, 28 years old, 4 points, 1.2 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 steals, 80% 3-point shooter, 5 games played in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Javi Gomez Deliano, rising star, 6'3", 193 pounds, 27 years old, 9.4 points, 3.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.4 steals, 31% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Rome De La Rosa, 6'3", 185 pounds, 34 years old, 7 points, 3 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.6 steals, 25% 3-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards, Russell Escoto, 6'6", 200 pounds, 32 years old, 5.7 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 steals, 40% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Xavier Lazaro, star player, 6'6", 205 pounds, 25 years old, 17.4 points, 9.9 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 1.3 steals, 2 blocks, 27% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Chris Kun, rookie, 6'5", 209 pounds, 23 years old, 7.4 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.6 steals, 36% three-point shooter, 18% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Centers: Yukian Andrada, new rookie, signing, 6'6", 210 pounds, 24 years old, 12.3 points, 5.7 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.5 steals, 0.5 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. Ian Sangalang, veteran star, 6'7", 212 pounds, 33 years old, 11.1 points, 4.7 rebounds, 1.9 assists, 0.6 steals, 0.3 blocks, 51 field goal percentage, 72% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. James Laput, 6'10", 245 pounds, 29 years old, 6 points, 3.3 rebounds, 1.1 assist, 0.8 steals, 46 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup averages. Justin Chua, failed signing, 6'6", 232 pounds, 36 years old, 3.5 points, 1.9 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 steals, 0.2 blocks, 33 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ito ang updated and final newly complete lineup ng Magnolia Hotshots para sa PBA 50th Philippine Cup playoffs. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, makakapasok kaya sa PBA Finals ang Magnolia Hotshots ngayong conference? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.